If you're looking for a premium, travel-friendly chess set that combines craftsmanship with practicality, the A&A Premium Natural Walnut Folding Chess Set might just be what you need. Let's take a closer look at what makes this stand out. So, unboxing it for the first time, comes with this sleeve on top. It's very nice premium packaging here. Every pawn is a potential queen. It comes stored in this felt storage bag. It's cushioned felt, so you should have no problems keeping your chess set secure. Let's pull it out. And look at how beautiful this is. So this is the storage bag. Comes with rules of chess inside. I'm going to leave that in there. Nice leather logo here. You can see A&A Chess. So it's a very comfortable carrying storage case. So we're going to put that to the side. Okay, this is the chess set itself. The rose gold and black metal latch design has been refined, adding an elegant touch that makes this set perfect for display or as a sophisticated gift for any chess player. So let's go ahead and open it up. Super easy to open here. And here's something you don't see every day, an eye-catching deep wine red chess piece tray. Not only does it complement the board's natural tones, but it also adds a touch of sophistication to your chess setup. As you can see here, you have an extra queen for the white and the black. So when your pawn becomes a queen, you can have an extra queen without having to figure it out on the go. Looking at the chess pieces, this set features an enhanced Staunton design, now triple weighted for better stability, so you're not going to easily knock your pieces over. At 3 inches tall, the king is perfectly sized for this board, and you even get 2 extra queens, making pawn promotions effortless. So let's just go to the details here. You can see a very nice king there, and then the queens as well. They're nicely weighted. There's a felt bottom, so they're not going to scratch your wooden chessboard. Same thing on the other side. Very nice. Let's look at the knight here. This is what the chess piece tray looks like with all the pieces removed. You can see the hinges are also hidden by fabric there. On the back here you have pedestals, so the actual chessboard sits on pedestals, so you have some space on the bottom. Let's flip it over so that the latch is on our side, and you can see the latch sits nice and flat on the ground, so you're not easy to knock the board over or anything like that. One of the most common issues with folding chessboards is a bulging at the center, but not with this one. A&A's original mini bracket design ensures the board remains perfectly flat, giving you a seamless playing experience every time. The premium craftsmanship of this set is immediately noticeable. Instead of using artificial staining, A&A keeps the natural walnut wood finish, showcasing its authentic beauty. With its premium materials, smart design, attention to detail, A&A's premium natural walnut folding chess set is an excellent choice for both casual and serious players, whether at home or on the move. This set delivers both style and functionality. You can even smell the wood finishing. There are no plastic smells. The set is premiumly manufactured. You can just feel the quality. There are no sharp edges, nice curved, smooth finishing throughout. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and game reviews. Thanks for watching and happy playing.